Hi, welcome back to CAD's Review, and today we're reviewing a kit that was sent to us by Oral Care, and this is a smart toothbrush kit. So let's open it up, and open sesame, your gift card is inside. So they've included a gift subscription, and they sent us a code to redeem, so we'll check that out and all the pricing. And this is a nice carrying case they sent. Let's just see, I think these are the instructions inside. We'll just put that aside for a minute. Okay, so I'm just gonna open this up. Let me just get my scissors and just cut the top off. Okay, so this is the charcoal toothbrush. So the head goes on just like that. Really nice design, really like that. So it comes in 3 brushing modes, and the first mode is whitening. Second one is sensitive, and the third one is massage. So that's really cool. I like that. And then it comes with a travel case. Let's try to get this out. So let's just remove this and perfect, on the go. And then you have your charger and battery pack, and I believe this goes on like this. So let's just read a little information about this. It's a whitening charcoal bristles, super soft charcoal infused nylon bristles. Charcoal removes surface stains to whiten your teeth and is naturally antimicrobial, which helps to keep the bristles hygienic for the lifetime of the brush head. It's the longest battery life on the market, and it lasts about 4 weeks, so you never have to worry about a charger when you're traveling. So a single charge can give you a 4-week brushing. Brushing modes, like I said, is whitening, sensitive, and massage. And it is the most powerful brush on the market, 33,000 sonic vibrations per minute. And the quad pacer timer, every 30 seconds you'll feel a gentle pause to remind you to move on to another part of your mouth. Very interesting. And a 2-minute timer. After brushing for the dentist approved 2 minutes, your brush will automatically switch off, so you know exactly how long to brush for. So their pricing is $99.99 and free shipping, and this is a subscription, and you can get I believe it comes every 3 months with a new toothbrush head. So it says over 10,000 dentists and hygienists have said that they think this brush is better than anything else on the market. And there's so many great reviews about this toothbrush. Really can't wait to try it. So inside you get the Burst Sonic toothbrush, replacement toothbrush head every 3 months, USB charger, wall socket, and the travel case. And it's a lifetime warranty, 90-day money-back guarantee, clinically backed, cruelty-free, and vegan-friendly, and they also have a 24/7 support line. And of course, this is in the rose gold limited edition. So I want to thank Oral Care again for sending this out for review, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. And also it comes with a little instruction book, gives you all the information about it. Just want to let you know about that. Just basically everything that that I had told you about during the video. So again, thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.